What if I tell you a country that shares a peaceful border with India is now allowing China to set up a military drone factory just a few kilometers away from Indian territory? What if those drones can watch, track and monitor not enemies far away but India itself? This is not a movie plot. This is happening right now in Bangladesh. In this video, we will clearly understand what exactly is this China-backed drone factory is, why Bangladesh's politics has suddenly changed, why China is deeply interested, why India is worried, how this affects regional security, and finally, what this means for India's future strategy. This is Vasanta Ramawat, your faculty for Economy and Current Affairs. So, let us understand this step by step. Okay, why Bangladesh's China-backed drone factory is ringing alarm bells for India. Bangladesh has approved a new drone manufacturing factory, but this is not an ordinary factory that we are talking about. This factory is being set up with Chinese help, Chinese technology, Chinese support and possibly Chinese personnel. And the factory is located very close to India's eastern and northeastern borders. This is a strategic and this is a threatening effect that we are going to learn today. This single decision has changed the security atmosphere of South Asia. Earlier, if you see the context, this is very like strategically very much planned one. If our enemy has been attaching a drone factory in the Bangladesh, which is a neighbor, which is an immediate neighbor to India, that itself sets the context as a ringing alarm bells for India. So before that, GS Academy is happy to announce that on 3rd of February 5 p.m. we will be live and we are conducting a webinar on both society and polity, syllabus decoded, PYQs analysis and roadmap strategy and common mistakes to avoid in the exam, exclusively for APPSC Group 2 aspirants. For you, this is for you. So let us not wait any more time. Link is there in the description. Register yourself for this webinar and you will be at the right place and you will understand everything about these two subjects. And yes, Shikara Academy is happily, successfully running this mentorship batches, and we are here with a very low prices now for APPSC Group 1 and Group 2. APPSC Group 1 and Group 2 aspirants, your mentorship batches live. What are you waiting for? Please enroll yourself, and if you have any doubts regarding this batch, you can call on this number. And yes, we are happy to even announce that APPSC Group-2 Foundation Batch live batch is going to start on the 9th of February 2026. If you have any doubts regarding this batch and enrollment, anything, you can call on this number, and this is, trust me, very lowest prices and you will get all these features at one place. Okay, so yeah, why this political shift in Bangladesh actually happened? Earlier, Bangladesh had a friendly relationship with India. Cooperation was very smooth, right? Cooperation was very smooth. Borders were mostly very peaceful, right? But now things are changing. The interim government led by Muhammad Yunus is slowly moving away from India. Why is this happening? At the same time, Bangladesh is getting closer to China and Pakistan. Why is this happening? So this is not just diplomacy. This change is now visible in defense decisions too. Okay, strategic realignment in defense decisions too. So what is this drone factory project actually is? Bangladesh will now manufacture drones inside its own country. Okay, and these are unmanned aerial vehicles, possibly called as UAVs. Okay, meaning no pilot inside, controlled from the ground. Okay, the drones belong to the MALE category, medium altitude long endurance category class drones. Medium altitude long endurance, they can stay in the air for many hours. The project cost is around 68 crore taka. Okay, about $55 million. Right, the money comes from the Bangladesh Air Force budget. So if you see all these things, these are very new and these are very threatening as well, right? What is this drone factory? Why is this happening in Bangladesh, and why is this How is this important, or how is this alarming to India? Why China is involved here? China is not new to Bangladesh, right? For many years, China has been Bangladesh's biggest defense supplier, if you know. But now China is not just selling weapons, China is sharing technology, China is helping production, China is staying involved for the long term. This means China will have a permanent defense presence in Bangladesh. This is evident from this act. This means China will have a permanent defense presence in Bangladesh. For China, this is a strategic win in Southern Asia or South Asia, right? China is winning, but we have very threatening and alarming issues that are going to happen. What are the strategic concerns for India? Why is India so worried? First, the location. It is very near to us, and the factory is very close to Indian territory. Second, the surveillance risk. These drones can watch the movement, they can watch and collect data, they can monitor sensitive areas. And third, dual use. Even if drones are said to be for humanitarian use, the same drones can be used for military surveillance. And finally, Chinese presence next door always creates pressure for India, right? So it is viewed as new security variable amid ongoing India-China tensions. So, what are the regional defense dynamics that are going to happen? Bangladesh is increasingly dependent on buying Chinese submarines, Chinese aircraft and Chinese naval system. This changes the security balance in Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is extremely important for India's trade, India's navy and India's energy routes. China's influence in the Indian Ocean region is clearly growing. And this erosion, India's traditional strategic comfort zone is facing this erosion or uncertainty, I would say, right? And what is the link to string of pearls here? China follows a strategy called string of pearls, as you know. It means creating a chain of ports, bases and facilities around India. If you see, this is a string of pearls. So this is again a threat one. It means creating a chain of ports and bases and facilities around India. So from Sri Lanka to Pakistan to now Bangladesh, this drone factory becomes another pearl. It allows China to stretch its reach, right? And it allows China to stretch its reach from the Himalayas to the Indian Ocean. And if you see Bangladesh's perspective on this, what Bangladesh has to say about this? Bangladesh says this project is for self-reliance, it is for indigenous growth, it is for disaster management and it is for employment generation. The factory will bring jobs. The factory will bring jobs to here, and this factory will bring jobs and infrastructure to Bogra region, especially in the Bangladesh. From Bangladesh's view, this is about development and autonomy. But in the international politics, intent matters less than very impact. So what are the implications finally for India? For India, this means action is needed. In short term, better border surveillance and then intelligence monitoring, and then in long term, if you see eastern threat, strong diplomacy with Bangladesh, review of neighborhood first policy, stronger eastern military readiness and faster growth of India's own drone technology, right? India must respond calmly, smartly and very strategically, guys. Understand this. So this drone factory is not just about drones, it represents a structural shift, okay, in South Asian security. China is no longer an outsider. It is becoming an embedded partner, right, in India's neighborhood. For India, this is not an immediate war threat, but a long-term strategic challenge. The answer lies in diplomacy and the answer lies in vigilance. Diplomacy and vigilance are the two weapons. And national capacity building is also matters a lot for India, okay? This is here, this is the issue. So if you have any doubts here, you can drop your doubts in the chat box. Have a good day.